Week 9, and we are back. Total Bitcoin mined is 0.01384,984 Bitcoin, which equals to $1,317.24. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Our personal reward was 0.000322227 Bitcoin, which converts to $29.75. Of course, we still have our GMT, so that's what's being used to pay for the electricity fees and service fees. Remember, if you want to sign up for yourself, the link is in the description, and you save 5% on your first purchase. And, of course, it helps me. I get 5% on extra purchases made. Now to the personal reward. Last week, we got a personal block of 263 GMT, which converted to USD is $129.10. Not too bad at all. Our total investment that we put in, it was what, $3,722. No, sorry, $3,722.17. And we've made back, I can't remember the exact number, but I know that it's at a 43.97% ROI, and it's only been 10.3 months. So these personal rewards have really helped out significantly, because this one was $120, sorry, $130, and then the last one was like $180. It was a lot more, and that ends up paying for the electricity fees, so you get a better ROI, better return. You get your investment back a lot quicker. It's basically that 20%, especially if you can get up to the 20%, but you'd have to buy a lot of GMT, quite a bit. But it is worth it, because after you get that 100% ROI, you're just getting free Bitcoin after that. Free Bitcoin. And remember, the price is about $100,000 in Bitcoin right now. That's still pretty low. Wait till it's at 250. Wait till it gets to $500,000, 750, then $1 million. It's only inevitable, everyone. So get in while you can. Referral link is in the description. Enjoy.